Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Guys, most of the time I'll be going to hotels, but today I have dropped down to one of the cafe plus, and it's a dog boarding place where dogs can play, and they do train dogs, and they do keep a very good food for dogs and birthday parties for dogs. Everything is available. Snoopy Paws Cafe. This place was introduced from one of the friend named called Vishal. I tried visiting this place like once or twice before me coming down for a vlog. So this place was quite interesting, and this is in proper outskirts. So if you have pets, it's a very good place. You do have to visit here. Let's go inside and check out. If dogs have some health issue, they do have medication also over here, and after leaving their pets here, owners can sit here and have a good food and take their pet back. It's something like a resort feel, but not exactly resorts. So let's speak to Mr. Lawrence, who is an proprietor of Snoopy Paws Cafe. Here is Lawrence and Shreya. So they are the proprietors, and they are taking care of entire cafe as well as dogs boarding and rest of the things. And I want you to explain about this Snoopy Paws Cafe. What is this about? It's a very innovative thing which I saw, and when I heard this project, when you took this project, how difficult it was?
Starting, see, as a animal lover and a dogs lover, we took a lot of time to set up things what they needed. Example, they like to run more, and they like open space, and those things we wanted to know. So we took a lot of time, more than a year, to just to understand what they need. And then we came up with this concept, where all the pet owners have place for the dogs to run around and enjoy with other dogs. So that's how we started.
Even to plan the setup also, we took a lot of time, to understand different kinds of dog and different kinds of customer who come. So we have created a separate play area for dogs, and even the open garden area where dogs can come, and all kind of breeds are welcome here, whether it is a toy breeds or larger breeds. So keeping that in mind, because we have a belief that pets are more or less family to us, right?
Right.
And normally if you see, most of the places family goes for outing and all, and you get a lot of restaurants to eat, but then you have to leave your pet back at home.
Right.
So that's the whole concept when
Especially
we started.
in India, there is in a lot of places that pets are not allowed inside the restaurant.
Yes.
Right.
Or
And
even if they're allowed, they have to keep them in leash and all. So
Right.
that was the whole thing, because at home also they have to be
in four walls.
Yes.
Yes.
So that was the whole concept when we as a family, we thought, okay, let's do something with dogs and for dogs. So that's the whole idea when we conceptualized the whole place.
Okay.
And we created different sections as well, keeping, even you can celebrate, say, dog birthday or your kids' birthdays and all. So we have separate areas for that as well,
Right.
where you can get along with your pet friends and play. Dogs will also get to socialize with other dogs. So,
Right.
Yeah.
So, and one more thing is that all pets won't be same. Some pets it will be friendly, and some will be like very aggressive.
Correct.
And how do you manage?
See, when it comes to cafe dogs, we have trained them well to socialize with all the dogs. So
Okay.
whichever dogs comes in their mindset, they'll once they start playing with our dogs, they we have seen many dogs changing their aggressive those things and all.
Natures,
Yeah, because we have trained our dogs to socialize with other dogs. And here what happens is the dogs are not in your leash. So once you go inside the play area, all the dogs are open. So that's the time you come to know what is your dog. When they are in leash, they are different. When they are out of leash, they are different. So
Right.
that's how we have trained our dogs to socialize and mingle with all the new dogs.
How about dog grooming and I mean rest of the things like health situations? How do you manage like?
So we are planning actually in a near future to start a proper grooming setup for the dog, along with the swimming pool area, and right now we have a facility like day boarding or home boarding, where we are taking daycare during the cafe timings and all of the pets, and But in a couple, maybe in coming 6 months down the line, we are planning a play area, swimming pool area, as well as the grooming and the health center and all for
Okay.
the dogs as well.
How about this thing, boarding?
Yeah, so boarding right now we are doing as a home boarding.
Okay.
So we are taking our customers' dog. We have a lot of customers who are, traveling outside Bangalore and all, and we are taking care of their dogs. And they get to play here and socialize with our dogs. It's not like it's kind of they are caged in a certain area, because daytime they'll be along with us in the cafe. They'll be playing around, and nighttime they'll be with us in the home. So that's how we are.
So you people do have a separate food for dogs where you are going to be preparing for them?
Yes, yes. See, what happens here is when the people they board their dog or something, whatever food they are providing, we continue the same.
Okay.
So we don't, there is no changes in the food. So whatever the dog is eating, regularly we'll give the same food to them.
Like whatever the owners provide the dogs, same we
same,
give it
food
during
we
the
give it.
boarding as
So
well.
one best part of this cafe is you people do celebrate this dog's birthday.
Yes, yes. Every time the people they celebrate dog's birthday with the
We-
dogs. Itself we have 30-40 dogs friends,
Okay.
and we celebrate with those dogs itself.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
We even sometime arrange a certain theme decoration for dogs and arrange a small pool party and all that.
So
also
we
kind
do
of
pool
a
party and all
theme
on the
party also
birthdays.
we arrange for dogs.
So this is dog playing area, as you people can see. Bradman! Bradman! So Bradman also came with us. So he's playing, he's enjoying in a new place. He's not so friendly, but he's trying to become friendly. So many dogs behind me. I mean, after a long time seeing so many pets, and yes, it is really a very enjoyable day if you're staying with pets. Completely tired, guys. It's so sunny and playing around with so many dogs after a long time. Usually every year I attend one place, that is Pets Fest, which happens in Palace Ground. Most of the pet lovers and pet parents would be knowing about this Pet Fest which I'm speaking about, where hell lot of dogs will be coming there for Pet Fest, and most of the shopping things happens for pets, and but this is a quite interesting place where pets are allowed inside the cafe also. And Bradman is sitting down right now. Even he is completely tired because of sun. And my pet is not so friendly. He doesn't want to mingle with any other dogs because he had his left hand injury when he was 6 months or 7 months old. So after a long time he started mingling with other dogs. So today he is like slightly, we are able to understand his character, that he just barks. He doesn't want to bite any other dogs, or he doesn't want to fight with other dogs. So that is one best part. So if he is more aggressive, like biting other dogs and fighting with other pets, no, it is really very difficult to handle pets. But I don't know, but this people are really very knowledgeable people, and where they are able to handle other pets too in a very good training manner as well. As you people would have seen in the cinematic shots also, there were so many pets all together. Each and every pet were in their different mood of playing. They were not in mood to fight with each other. Usually in restaurants you can find chairs, but here I am able to find something unique. A cushion. Below the cushion there is two tires. So this is something which is really very unique, and they have painted these tires. So I've started receiving some food. So again we are back to continental cuisine. Most of the time eating biryanis itself is like something a irritational part, but sometimes having continental, it makes a lot of sense. So I have received one veg pizza, and one more is grilled burger. With that I have received some chips. In pizza I can see some of the toppings which has been added is broccoli, cucumbers, and mushrooms, as well as, oh my god, as well as carrot. So cheese is completely filled on pizza. Chili flakes and oregano spices, and one ketchup. That's it. So I'm sprinkling some chili flakes. Whatever is the rest, I'll sprinkle it on rest of the pizza pieces. However, people are around me, let them eat. One ketchup they have given me, but that ketchup though I won't give anyone. I love ketchup to the core. More than pizza, I love eating ketchup. The mushrooms are barbecued so well, and the taste of the veggies on pizza, it's like fantastic. The taste is really good. This is not something like a junk food. This is something like a diet itself, because I can see broccoli, a lot of veggies on this. So one point, yes, this is dietary food itself. If you are eating pizza or burger, it doesn't make any sense. If you are eating daily, yes, of course it makes a lot of sense. You'll get fat. So having pizza and watching your pets there playing around, and even the open space, you usually don't get this kinds of places in Bangalore. But best place to hang out with pets. The pizza base has been prepared by them itself. It's really fantastic, guys. And the sausages, whatever they have used on the pizza, even that has been prepared in their kitchen itself. That is one best part. Grilled chicken burger. On top of that I can see one cherry tomato and chips. The presentation is really very good. And with that I have received one ketchup. So let me start eating this. Ketchup I'll keep aside. Burger is really very big. I have to open my mouth like I can see some lettuce, tomatoes and onions, a grilled chicken fillet in between. That's right. The grilled taste of the fillet, it's giving a fantastic kick with this burger. And mayonnaise is all-time favorite for me. Veggies, whatever they have put inside the burger, that is giving a fantastic taste, and slightly they have sprinkled oregano and chili flakes. They have marinated the chicken for a quite long period of time before grilling, but they have used paprika, salt, pepper, bit of garam masala to marinate the chicken. It is really tasting good with this burger. This is dragon chicken wings. You can see different types of paprikas which has been added or sorted with this dragon chicken, and on top I can see red chilies, dry red chilies. Maybe this would be spicy. On top, white sesame seeds has been added. Things are my favorite, so they have salted with some sauce. That much I can say, because it's feeling to my hand. I got one wing piece itself. Oh, the crispiness of the chicken is in next level, and the sauce, whatever they have sorted, it's barbecue sauce and tomato sauce and soya sauce. For soya sauce, at last they have put because soya sauce gives that roasted feel. This is not so spicy, it's medium spicy, you can say it as, but crispiness, it's fantastic. The wing pieces are something which will be really very tasty, especially fried, and after that with some sauces. If they salt, you people have to understand what level it will be in. To chill out in hot sun, they have given me chill mojito. Oh, the mint leaves. Oh, it's really good for this hot sun. And after playing around with dogs, you have to have this something cold, then only mind will be refreshing. Playing some sports is quite good, but playing around with dog, no, it's more than a sports. They keep making you run a lot of cardio. You don't need to do cardio. Last and ending dish is, it's not a dish, it's a dessert. So I'm gonna be ending with chocolate brownie. On top of that, they have put this chocolate syrup. Brownie plus ice cream, it gives a very good taste, especially for hot climate. Today, getting entertained with pets as well as with food, it's a different feel, guys. Oh. The brownie is slightly hot, and so ice cream is getting melted, but giving a fantastic taste with the chocolate syrup as well as hot brownie with that ice cream. And sun is going away. I think it might start raining now because slightly clouds are getting formed up. And this climate, some or the other dishes, something like ice cream or mojito, these things will be really good. Some nuts are also added. Anyhow guys, I'll just finish this, then catch you up. Guys, finally finished my food, and today I'm gonna be ending my vlog with a lot of pets in and around me. So if you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. One dog, she needs my mic because it's a dead cat feather. So she's jumping on me like anything. Anyhow guys, it's time to end my vlog. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.